Here's how to make 10K to 30K per month with a crypto fund. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ken the Crypto. I am the founder of Crypto Fund Launch, a channel where we help teach people how to start their crypto fund in less than 90 days and start making revenue. Now, over the past few months, we've helped a few people start a crypto fund, and they are now making between $10,000 to $30,000 per month. And we do it through a very simple process, and we simplified it. I know when people think about a crypto fund or a crypto venture capital fund, they think about all these other processes, but we simplified it down to where you could basically start it, and within a week you could have your fund running, and within a month you could start generating revenue, and all while simultaneously investing in really good projects. If you want to learn more about how to start a crypto fund, just subscribe to this channel because we post weekly content, and sometimes we have a free webinar at the top link of the description. And so now I'm really going to break this down into 5 steps. And I know in some of my videos, some of those are shorter steps, but if you really want to get granular on things and really do it in a step-by-step basis, here it is, right? Number 1 is you want to find crypto deals. So we do this by having a solid network of other crypto funds that we work with. That's actually one of the reasons why as well that we help others start a crypto fund, because we want to build this network, this ecosystem of funds where we are all helping each other find these great deals, raising money, and also making money at the same time. Now, on top of having a network of other crypto funds, we have a network of executives. These are people that have their own projects, people that advise other projects. And when you have your own project, when you advise other projects, you usually have a solid network with you as well. We also work with influencers, because influencers usually have deals to these early startups. And so, like I said, when I say crypto deals, I'm talking about crypto projects that just started, that are looking for capital, and will give you tokens at a set price. And usually that set price is lower than the public price. It's lower than the price that when they get listed on exchanges. And usually if you get those deals, you'll get exclusive access, you get exclusive news before everybody else does. And so you could actually get these crypto deals yourself. However, it's going to involve a lot of networking. That's why we allow other people to use our own crypto deals if you end up working with us. And so once you find those deals, which is literally the 80% of your job as a crypto fund owner, is finding and sourcing those deals, is now building your base of investors. And this is really very simple. It's gonna take some time, but it's simple. Investors are really just people in your network, in your community, that are willing to invest in these crypto deals. And if you have solid crypto deals, they sell themselves. You don't need to sell these deals. You don't need to shove these deals in your investors' mouths. In fact, if you have a solid project and these investors know how to research a solid project, which they should, then most of the time they're going to invest in it, and you don't need to use any special sales tactic or anything. You show them the deal, like this is what the deal is, this is the project, this is who's backing the project, this is the team, this is what they're building, this is how much tokens you could get at this price, and they're going to say yes or no. And so to find these investors, it's very simple. You just go to your existing network already. Chances are that if you've been in crypto for at least a year, you already have a solid network in place. It's the place where you usually hang out with. If you are in a Telegram group, a Discord group that you usually hang out with, you usually know people that are investing in crypto already. You just go up to them and tell them, hey, listen, I started a crypto fund and I have these deals. Do you want to see these deals? And if they say yes, great, invite them to your community and then show them the deals. And if they like the deals, you tell them, hey, listen, do you want to invest in this or not? And if they say yes, great, you tell them, here is the minimum requirement. And from there, they're going to say yes or no to giving you the money or not. And as long as they trust you, that's really all that matters. Then you have yourself a pretty solid base of an investor. And if you don't have an existing network already, then it is your job to build that network, and it will happen over time. It's very simple to build networks, right? Go in communities, as I said before, communicate, get to know people. You could even start doing it on Twitter as well, which is my number 1 recommended platform. Go on Twitter, start posting threads, start posting things, DMing people. That's really as simple as it is. Which leads on to number 3, which is you want to build a relationship with the people that you come in contact with, because that's what this business model is all about, is building relationships. And like I said, if you already have a network, that is your biggest advantage. That is your biggest asset. Because with your networks, you've already built a relationship with them. They already trust you to an extent. And all you have to do is present them with deals. Which leads on to number 4, is you want to present them with deals often. If you have a base of community of your investors, you have them in one place, which is a Telegram, a Discord, or a Slack channel, then just present them with deals often that you're getting from your network of where you're sourcing these crypto deals from. And if you present them with deals often, eventually they're going to say yes to them. And when they say yes to them, they are going to want to invest in them. And of course, that goes along with them giving you their money to invest for them, because they can't just invest in these deals by themselves, because it will take some work if they do it themselves. So they give you their money, and then you then invest their money for them, and then from there you could take a fee. And of course, you want to disclose to them what your fee is. For our fund, it ranges between 10 to 15%, usually between 10 to 12%. However, for some funds, they do 15%, and it just depends. And this is really where you want to be transparent with your investors as well. You're taking this fee because if it wasn't for you, they wouldn't have found this deal. And if they found the deal, they wouldn't be able to get in them, because if to get in these deals, it requires to have a minimum of 25K, 50K, 100K at times. Your job as a crypto fund owner is, on top of finding these deals, it's pulling all the money together to have this minimum ticket requirement to then enter these deals. And so that's really it. And if you can do this consistently, let's say you're raising $100,000 per month and you take a 10 to 50% fee, you're taking home around 10K to 15K per month. And if you have more investors, you have bigger whales, you have better deals, then you're gonna raise more money. And in a bull market, you're gonna raise even more money because everybody else has more buying power. And that is what we teach other people as well, is if you are able to grow your investor base, if you are able to grow your community week after week, month after month, even adding, let's say, 1 to 2 members per week who have a good buying power of like 10K per month, then you will grow your fund to literally one investor would be worth 10K in fundraise. And so if you do the math over time, that single investor could be worth $100,000 to you in a span of a year. And if you want to get to $1 million fund, right, $1 million in assets under management, then just get 10 investors that have a buying power of $100,000 every single year. And so it really doesn't take that many people in your fund to create a 7-figure fund. All it takes is a few amount of people that have money, that trust you, and this goes along with building relationships with them over time. And all it is just building trust with them. It's the same way as you build trust with a friend, a relationship, is just show up every single day. And so if you do that over time, you're gonna take fees and you're gonna make money in your crypto fund month after month after month, and that will just exponentially grow in a bull market. And if you want to learn more how to start a crypto fund in less than 90 days and start producing revenue, subscribe to this channel. And if there's a link below at the very top, it's usually a free webinar in which we teach you how to create a crypto fund. And at the very end of that webinar, it's going to be an option to work with us. If you enjoyed this video, like it, comment below your questions, your concerns. Ken the Crypto here. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.